the last release of Orbitsound that they have called Air D1, and that comes under a luxury design ready to hear something similar to stereo sound from its multiple drivers. They use what they call Airsound technology, is able to reproduce the same tonal and spatial presentation in all the points of the room without the need to be seated in a listening point as with conventional speakers. This implies both a signal processing and an emission through multiple drivers located on several sides of the speaker. And more specifically, two subwoofers of 10 inches, one medium of 5 inches, one tweeter of 1 inch, and other two drivers of 4 inches that are the main responsible for generating that Airsound effect. All of them are amplified by two stages of 150 watts each for low frequencies and another of 70 watts for the highs, both of class A/B, and with which it is possible to obtain a combined frequency response of 35 Hz to 25 kHz. As for the other features, the speaker has a design with a pedestal that we can tilt multiple angles to better adjust the direction of the sound. It also includes control wheel-shaped controls that allow you to vary the volume and select the sound source, Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth, Ethernet port and digital optical.